Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Before removing a bird nest, confirm it contains no eggs or nestlings first. Check the nest for movement and listen for soft chirps near the nest site. If you find eggs or young birds, delay removal until they fledge naturally. If the nest is empty, plan for a daytime removal session on a clear, calm day. Wear thick gloves and eye protection to avoid mites and debris exposure while you work. Set up a stable 6-foot ladder on level ground and have a helper hold it. Place a tarp or bucket beneath the nest to catch debris and prevent a mess. Approach slowly and support the nest with one gloved hand while loosening attachment points. Use gloved hands or a small hand broom to gently remove sticks, lining, and detritus from the nesting site. Place all material into a sealed bag and dispose of it in outdoor trash immediately. After removal, clean the area thoroughly and disinfect with a dilute bleach solution. Wear gloves and ventilate the area while applying disinfectant to kill parasites and bacteria. Seal openings and potential attachment spots with 1/4 inch mesh or hardware cloth to prevent future nesting attempts. Install deterrents like angled baffles or smooth trim where nests form. Inspect the location monthly for 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.